Hi guys, welcome to VB ZAPH. Today I'm going to show you how to write the HTML coding for your websites. So let's get started. First of all, you need to have a Notepad++ program in your PC. So I'm going to write the HTML codes in Notepad++. So the HTML contains the main tag is the HTML tag, which indicates that the program is an HTML program. The HTML program contains two sections, that is, first section is a head section and other is a body section. So head section contains a title which will be displayed in the title bar of the web page. Like you can add it anything like this is my web page, and you have to close it using a /. The / and the tag with it indicates that the tag is closed. So, and with this the head has to be closed. So this displays this is my web page in the title bar of the web page. So the next part comes is the body part. The body tag contains attributes like background, BG color, and you have to note that the color spelling is COLOR and not COLOUR, and text. These are contained in the body tag. The background is used to add an image to your background of your web page. BG color is used to give a background color to your web page, and the text is used to give a text color in your web page. So this has to be put inside the tag, like background is equal to img.jpg, then this has to be is equal to and double quote, and BG color is equal to in color, and the other type of giving the color to any text or a background is like a hashtag with a 6-digit number. So there should not be a space between BG color, and this gives a color to the text, a random color of BGR, means blue, green and red. HTML headings are defined with h1 tag to h6 tags. In this h1 tag is having the biggest size and the h6 tag is having the lowest font size. So the different types of text formatting tags that are used are bold, italic, underline, strike through, and these are used for text formatting. Like if you write this is my web page, and you have to close it like the sequence in order: S, then U, then I, and then you need to close the bold tag. So this text will be displayed in the bold, italic, underline and strike through order. Now if you want to use a subscript or a superscript, you have to use the tag called SUP for superscript and the tag called SUB for the subscript. Like if you want to add 2 to the power A, then you have to write 2 and subscript A and close this tag. So this displays 2 to the power A. And if you want anything like log to the base E or anything to the base, then you have to, or as a subscript, then you have to add this, or like log, then E, then you have to close this with this sub tag. So this closes the subscript tag. So next is the big. This enlarges the size of your HTML font size. If you want the size greater than h1, then h1 has to be written, which is the highest tag, and displays the tag still little bigger than the H1. So high, and I need to close this. So this displays in the highest font size. And if you want the lowest then the H6 tag, then you have to use a tag called small. And if you write high and close the small tag and the H6, then this displays in the least possible small font size that the HTML contains. The next tag is the BR tag. The BR tag helps to give a line break, and this does not contain a closing tag. And if you have a BR right now and I've written BR, it leaves a line break and continues in the next line without continuing the same line. So then next comes a tag called HR tag, which gives a horizontal line to the entire page, which makes it look little attractive. So these are the basic tags that I'm going to told you about. Now I'm going to show you a program how it can be written basic using this. So watch this video till its fullest. So I'm going to do a example program to show how this really works. So let's start. So after writing the codes, you need to close all the open tags. Like I've opened over your body and I have to close body, and the last is the HTML tag. Now to work this, you have to save this file, and you have to save. You can save it anywhere you want. Now I'm going to save it in the desktop as new dot, and you have to add the extension anything named .html, like new.html, to confirm that it is HTML page. So I have saved over here, and you can see a file called new with the browser. So double click on it. So now the title contains, this is my web page, and this will be displayed in the title bar of the browser. Like this is my web page. Now I have used the font size from H1 to H6, like how it varies. The highest size of the font is this, and the lowest size is HI. So the font ranges is H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. And now I am using the highest size, that is the H1 tag with the big, then it's the bold. and the underline tag, italic tag, and the strike through. So the next tag is the smallest of all, that is the smaller than the H6, that is I've used again a small tag, and with that I've used a bold tag, italic tag, underline tag, and strike through tag. So now if you want to write 2 to the power a, like I'll choose this to be as H1 for your comfortability, and I'll close H1 tag over here. So to make changes, you have to save the file, like save, then you have to refresh your browser so it is displayed large. Now if you want to display 2 to the power a, then you have to use with that a tag called SUP, which means that superscript. And if you want as log to the base e, you have to use a tag called SUB, which means that subscript. So this is how you can develop a simple HTML web page. Check these tags out, and I'll be back in my next video with the next step of the HTML tags. Till then, enjoy, and please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.